Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create Tremendous account. First, open your web browser on your computer or laptop. In the search bar, type tremendous.com and press enter. Wait for the website to load fully. Once the homepage opens, you will see a sign up button. Click on the sign up button to start creating your account. You will now see a form asking for basic information. First, enter your full name. Next, enter your email address. Make sure to use your work email address because Tremendous is designed mainly for business use. After that, create a password. Choose a password that is strong but easy for you to remember. When these details are filled in, move to the next step. In the next part, Tremendous will ask for additional personal and business details. Enter your company name in the company name field. Then type your phone number carefully. Make sure the number is correct in case Tremendous needs to contact you. After that, enter your business address. Take your time and make sure all required fields are filled in correctly before continuing. Once you submit this information, Tremendous will ask you to confirm your email address. Open a new tab and go to your email inbox. Look for an email sent from Tremendous. Open the email and click on the confirmation link inside. After confirming your email, you will be redirected back to the Tremendous website. The dashboard will now open automatically. You are officially signed in to your Tremendous account. Thanks for watching.